This is P-Video Replace. One clip, new face. New fit, new prop on the desk. Same words, same lips.
Creator ad? Same rule. New face, wild tea, chrome tube in hand. One take, one line.
Wardrobe mode, 3 looks, 0 reshoots. Same line, only the outfit moves.
Cut scenes too. Same dialogue, swap the blade. Hero, Frost, or the Great Sword.
On location, face, jacket, bag, latte. 4 swaps, 1 cafe take. Lips stay put.
Fitness ads, lightning tub, acid pre-workout, neon tea. Same gym clip every time. Same clip. New character, same lip sync. That's replace. Need to animate a person with a specific motion? That's P-Video Animate.
P-Video Replace on the Pruna API. Swap the host or the desk prop, then ship it. Thanks for watching.